Welcome to Math for All Academy. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve a system of equations using the method of elimination. And in this particular case, we have fractions. So I'm going to teach you all the tricks on how to do that. So the first thing is we rewrite the equations so that like terms line up. Okay, so these have to be lined up and these constants have to be lined up on that side of the equal sign. So that's already done, so we don't need to worry about it. Now we need to get rid of decimals or fractions. Here we have fractions, so I'll show you how to eliminate that. So let's rewrite our equations so that we could work with them. So for this one, we'll multiply this equation through by 8, and for this one, we'll multiply this equation through by 6. So you could see if we multiply through by 8, we can get rid of these fractions in the denominator. And if we multiply by 6 here, these ones will cancel. What we could do is multiply by 2 first, so this one would cancel, and then multiply by 3. But that's the same as multiplying the whole thing by 6, because 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, so we could do that more quickly and more easily if we just multiply through by 6. So let's do that. It looks like this, okay? So we're multiplying this equation through by 8 and then this equation through by 6. So now 2 fits into 8 4 times, 8 fits into 8 once, 3 fits into 6 twice, 2 fits into 6 3 times, okay? So we could cancel and get rid of all those denominators. So we're left with here 4x plus y equals 32. And here we're left with 2x minus 3y equals negative 12. So now we multiply one or both equations so that one variable has the same number in both equations. This makes it easy to cancel that variable. So we want to work with the equation that's easier, right? So here, I think if we just multiply this by 3, we could get this variable for the y having the same constant of 3 here. And then we'd only have to multiply through on one equation, okay? So let's do that. So it becomes now 12x plus 3y equals 96. 32 times 3 is 96. And then this equation stays the same. So now we can add or subtract the two equations so one variable disappears. And then we solve for the variable that's left. So we're going to add or subtract. But here we're going to add, right? If we add these, the y's disappear. If we add, the y's disappear. So this plus this gives us 14x. This plus this gives us 0. This plus this gives us 84. So now we know that if we divide both sides by 14, we get x equals 84 over 14, and that means x equals 6. So now we put the answer, this answer, into either equation to get the other variable. And we always try to use the easiest equation to work with, okay? So we're just going to use this one, 4x plus y equals 32. And we're choosing that one because there's no variable in front of the y. So it just saves us a step later where we don't have to divide the entire equation by something to isolate y. Y will already be isolated. So let's put x equals 6 here, and let's figure that out. So 4 times 6 plus y equals 32. So that becomes 24 plus y equals 32. So when we move that over, it becomes 32 minus 24. So finally, y equals 8. So now we have both our variables. So now all we need to do is check to see if our work was correct. So we check our answer in both equations. So x equals 6, y equals 8. So we take our original equations for P1 and P2 from up here, and we put in x equals 6 and y equals 8 into both of them. And we could see that these work out. 6 over 2 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So then 6 over 3 is 2 minus 8 over 2, which is 4. And then that leaves us -2. And that's it. And that's all there is to that problem. Don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video. Anyone can do this. As well, you could take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook you could download. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.